We're going to do, we have a screening that we're splitting up into like 10-15 minute segments, and then live performances. So it's going to be a little bit of screening, a little bit of performance, a little bit of screening, a little bit of performance. Get it? Okay, cool.
Well, I guess a glitch is an interruption of a signal, right? Or an accident, or it's an error, or it's what happens when we're not expecting it. It's the result of something that's not what we were expecting. It's a bug, all of those things. That's a glitch. But were you maybe more asking what glitch art is?
Which is an interruption in a system that makes the system apparent or reveals the system at play. So a glitch is a moment that reveals the system at play. That can be visual, that can be audio, that can be cognitive. The thing that excites me about the glitch is just, or a glitch, or whatever is that moment, right? For me, it's a moment. It's the moment that is, that makes you step back and say, you know, wait, what happened? Or that didn't, what? You know? That kind of, that's dependent on the context. You know, that moment is dependent on the context. It might work in one place or situation and might fail in another.
I mean, there's early Greek philosophy, like pre-Socratic philosophy, where there's this idea of the klinomon, which is like a swerve. So atoms fall down, and you know this is like 300 BC, but like atoms fall straight down, and so the only way that there's any free will or agency in the world is because every now and then they inexplicably swerve, and that little swerve, it's like a chain reaction that starts everything. And keeps everything from being exactly the same. And it seems to me that that's the early version of the glitch. I guess it just depends on what you mean in terms of like a glitch as a natural artifact, or like glitch art as some purposeful enterprise.
I saw a huge potential for really understanding or becoming aware of all these different aspects of our relationship to digital technologies and all the sort of peripherals to that issue. And like, you know, as our culture becomes more and more digital, you know, as digital technologies sort of converge with every aspect of our lives, an understanding of that relationship becomes super, super crucial, right? So glitches like the avant-garde of figuring out that relationship. You know, it's all over the place, and it's super variable, and people are coming from it from completely different places sometimes, but all I think equally excited and attracted and passionate about it. And it's because it has, I think, this because it really sort of hits that issue at its core.